Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today for lunch I'm cooking chicken wings. So I've got these chicken wings here and I'm going to cut the chicken wings like this. So just separate the little thigh and the other part of the wing. And then after that I'm going to clean them up and wash them. You can buy the chicken wings that are already cut, but yeah, now they are cleaned. I'm going to cut them in half because I'm just trying to cook these chicken wings very fast. So cut them in half like that, just to increase the cooking time so that it's quick, nice and quick for lunch. Because I'm going to shallow fry these chicken wings, so that's why I'm going to just cut them in half. Yeah, after cutting them in half, I'm going to marinate them. Now marinate them with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of paprika, and some cornstarch. I'm also going to add 1 egg so that when I shallow fry, and then mix it up and then shallow fry in hot oil. So I'm looking for a crispy um, color for my chicken wings. So I've cooked these chicken wings for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side. And while I'm cooking these chicken wings, I'm going to be just flipping them to another side so that they don't bend. So make sure you flip as they cook, don't make them bend. So just make sure they are nice and cooked, not raw in the middle. So I'm going to flip again so that make sure they are all cooked to what I like. For me, I like crispy skin, and yeah, if you like your chicken wings, you can cook the way you like it, but for me it was about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to set them aside and cook another batch. I didn't want to overcrowd the pan, that's why. So set them aside and cook the other batch. So just follow the same process, guys, where you There you have it, guys. This is my chicken wings recipe that I just made for lunch today. It's quick and easy. Yeah. There you have it, guys. This is how the chicken wings look. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.